just being a random herbalist here. I'm looking for wild munchies. I did pack food. I just like looking for wild edibles. And one very obvious known one for me is sassafras. Now it looks a little similar to the tulip poplar. Here's the tulip poplar, and here's sassafras. Sassafras is edible. You can make a tea out of it. Of course, I wouldn't eat it and drink it all day, every day. I wouldn't obsess over it because it can hurt your liver, and it, in large doses, can be carcinogenic, I believe. I did a blog post on it years ago. That's part of how I met my co-author, Kenny Dietrich. He found that blog post through a friend here, and he looked at that blog post, and then we talked about the blog post, and then the rest is history. I will put the link to that blog post in the description below, but it's really good. The locust tree right there.
Well, we need to go through these briars right here. It's not that bad there.
Looking like a hot mess up there.
This is getting a little hairy. Yeah, we should stay like over in here. Yeah. Wow.
The point of coming out here was to find the cliffs, and which we've already found during the winter, and I'll put a video in there. A lot harder to find when everything's grown up during the warmer seasons.
I guess that's a small pond.
It is a small one. Ooh. Nice. So one of our ponds, smaller ponds, are down there. Long way. That's the big pond, aka the lake. Come out to the road. Annoyingly, on the other side of the property. We started out on this side of the property and didn't go the direction we thought we were going. And still ended up on this side of the property. We just took the long way around. But the cliffs are on the other side of our property, so. At the cottage. Even the goats aren't having it. But yeah. Getting turned around like that was a whole lot of fun. Take two.
We came to the first time and I was like, oh honey, we can't. We're not going to be able to. So, it's this. And don't let the tip. If the tip touches, it'll ride up it, and that's what can cause it to run up into your face.
Okay.
So
this is change, and this is break off.
That's break off. Break on to start it.
Break on to start.
Give it a good pull.
While holding this?
No, you can let that go now. The only reason you squeeze the trigger is to put the choke on.
Oh, okay. So now pull.
Give it a good pull. Since you're so short, let's do this.
What?
Put the handle between your legs, like that.
Oh, that's better.
There. Okay.
It flooded?
It was flooded.
Okay.
Staff smoked a little bit when we started up.
The brake is on right now. Also, we don't have any glass.
We had no.
No, we do.
Oh, perfect. Nice catch.
You may not be able to see through them, but we got it.
It's so bad.
All right.
I can't see nothing.
Brake off. Let the saw do the work. Just let it go. Keep letting it cut. Pull the saw out. There you go. You're gonna have to brake on when you're not using it. You're gonna have to cut from underneath.
Yeah.
But don't let the tip get the tip up in here and come from underneath in the same spot. And don't put too much force, because when it lets go, you can bring it back in here, okay? All right. Perfect. All right, now.
I did it!
Excellent.
Yeah. Now go down a little